Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the process of adding the image or screenshot of any textbook or copy that has data in tabular format. Like how can we add this in the Excel automatically so that we don't need to type this manually, and we wanted to add this in uh, text format so that we can edit as well. So the process of that is very simple. We have to move to the data tab in Excel, click on from picture, picture from file, select the picture that you have. I have this picture, so I have selected. Now it is processing the picture here. After that, we show that option to insert the data. So you can see here the picture that we can see. Here we can review the data as well or insert directly. I want to insert anyway. You can see the data got inserted, and some data will be missing or some might be wrong based on the handwriting trying to read. So if you have written in proper handwriting, then all the data it will read correctly. So this is the data that it has read from here. So anything you want to edit, you can edit now. That's it for today. Thank you.